Hi scientists, it's Flipgrid Friday. Whoop whoop. You know what to do. Click on your homeroom teacher's name to start. Each time that you go to Flipgrid, there is a purpose for your video. So when you scroll down, you are going to see the information that I have provided you so that you can make a successful video. It says that your goal is to make a model to show which star will be the brightest when viewed from Earth. Supplies, you're going to need 4 objects total, an item to represent Earth, and then an item to represent each star. All right, so once you have those items, the directions are that you're going to use the data below, to set up a model of the Earth and the stars. Your model will not be to scale. From Earth, which of the stars will appear the brightest? So that's something you're going to answer in your video. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to press pause and I want you to grab something to write with and something to write on, and I want you to write down these stars. You can't see me doing it right now, but I am writing down Polaris, 323 light years, Sirius, 8.611 light years, and Betelgeuse is 642.5 light years. So please make sure that you take time to write down the name of each star and the distance it is from Earth. Once you have written down each star and gathered your supplies, you are ready to start your video. So you'll scroll down and click on the plus sign. Okay, so I'm not actually going to set up the model. I want you to be able to do that, but that's why I wrote it down. So this is going to be my Earth, and then each of these is going to be one of the stars. So when I look at the data of the distances that I provided, I need to figure out which one is going to be closest. So whichever star is closest, I place that closest to Earth, and then so on. And then I should be able to explain in the video that this, whichever one, then after you have it lined up, sorry, I'm not, let me scoot it out. Once you have it lined out, tell me the Earth and name each star according to the distances, and then name which star, tell me in the video, which star is going to be the brightest. So it might sound something like this. Here is Earth, this is bump, 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 but actually say the name of the star, and then tell me blank is the brightest star because. All right, get to it. I can't wait to see what you do. You got this.